Ngayon, i-discuss naman natin ang exponential function. So, objective, at the end of the video, you are expected to define exponential function, graph exponential function. So, meron tayong definition. So, exponential function can be written as f of x equals b raised to x, where b is greater than 0 and x is any real number. So, things to remember, zeros as an exponent. If n is not equal to 0, then n is equal to 1. Yung n raised to 0 is any number. 2 raised to 0, 3 raised to 0, 1 million raised to 0 is always equals to 1. So, negative exponent. So, pag mayroong negative exponent, kagaya nito, that will be equal to 1 over a raised to negative n, or wala na tong n. So, 1 over a raised to n. Ito yung sagot. Meron tayong halimbawa niyan mamaya. So, properties of exponential function under graph. So, let f of x equals b raised to x, where b is greater than 1 and b is not equal to 1. So, the domain is set of real numbers. Ibig sabihin, yung x's ay real numbers, hindi imaginary. So, the range is the set of positive real numbers. So, if b is greater than 1, f is an increasing exponential function. So, pero pag if 0 is less than b less than 1, f is a decreasing exponential function. Si b dito yung base. So, the function passes through the point 0 and 1 because of b raised to 0 equals to 1. So, halos lahat ng graph na exponential function dumadaan sa 1. Pag exponential function lang tayo, walang ina-add. So, the graph approaches but 0 does not reach the x-axis. It will never touch the x-axis. So, the x-axis is the horizontal asymptote. So, sketch the graph of y equals 2 raised to x plus 3. So, ito yung sagot. Simple lang. Pinalitan lang yung x dito ng negative 4. So, negative 4 plus 3 will be negative 1. So, 2 raised to negative 1. Tapos, yung 2 raised to negative 1, magiging 1/2 na yan. So, 0.5. Pag naman negative 3 yung exponent, that will 0, that will be 1. And then, pag yung x naman ay negative 3, negative 2, that will be 2, and so on. So, ito yung x. So, nagsimula siya sa negative 4. Saan ba? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ito, that is 0.5, 1, tapos 4, no? Sa negative 2, that is 2. Sa negative 1, that is 4. And so on. 8. So, sketch the graph of y equals 2 raised to x. So, ganyan. So, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. Yung kanyang x. Ito, saan to galing? In-assume lang ito. These are all assumptions. So, ito yung pwede constant kung ika nga. Ito yung mga dependent. So, pag negative 2 yung kaating x, so, magiging 1/4 yung answer. Kasi yung negative symbol na exponent, pag meron tayong negative exponent, magiging 1 over 2 raised to n. So, magiging 1/4 yan. Ito naman, 2 raised to negative 1. So, that will be 1 over 2. 2 raised to 0, that is 1, and so on. So, ito yung graph. So, what you learned? You learned about exponential function and its graph.